It's craft time! Today we're gonna make rockets that are made out of cardboard tubes and paper. So all you need for this activity is a cardboard tube. And here I used a half of a paper towel tube, but you could use a whole paper towel tube or a toilet paper tube for this. And then you're gonna need some colored paper and your scissors. Now we want to make sure that all of our materials are really safe and non-toxic in case maybe we wanted to use our rockets to decorate a hamster cage like in our story. So in order to make sure, we're pretty sure that the cardboard tubes are okay. They are just plain cardboard, but we might be worried about any dyes that might be in the paper. So I'm going to take the paper that I'm thinking about using, take a little piece of that paper, a little strip of that paper, and test it by putting it in some water. And if I just dip that into some water and take a look and make sure that the colors are not running and changing the color of the water. And if that just stays the same and doesn't run into it, then it should be safe for our hamster. So it looks okay. So that's good. We're going to use this green paper, and this will be a really fun paper to use for this project. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut a nice window into our paper towel roll for our rocket astronauts. And so to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze the tube a little bit, and then I can make a little cut in the tube with my scissors. So I'm going to cut into the tube with my scissors just like this, and another cut to make it a little diamond shaped hole. And now maybe I want to make that hole a round hole. So if I want to make it round to make it a little bit easier for my astronaut to stick their face out, I'm going to just go back in with my scissors and round that off a little bit. And I can do that just by snipping around. And there we go, the top part is rounded, and then I'm going to do the bottom part too, where it's still a little pointy. So go back in and take my scissors and go right around that. Terrific. There we go. Now that's a great hole, and you see I made a hole on the other side, so this would be good lying down or standing up, and you can your astronaut can look out the window either side. Now the next thing I might want to do for my rocket is put some fins on the rocket. My other one I put some cardboard fins. This one I think I'm going to try making some fins out of paper. So I like to use a triangle. So again, if I take my rectangle and I cut that right through the diagonal, then I get 2 triangles. And those will be great fins for my rocket. Now to attach these to the rocket, we don't want to use any tape for this project. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little slot right here on our fin. I'll show you, I'm just going to cut that right here. Perfect. And then cut a little slot wherever you would like to have the fins, maybe right here. Cut a little slot. And then we're going to slide those 2 slots together and slide that right up, and there we go. That will hold that fin in place. That looks pretty cool. Let's do another one on the other side. So we'll put the slot right here on our rocket, and then we'll put the slot right here on our fin, and then slide it up so that it attaches together. Well, that looks pretty good. You can kind of push them around till they look the way you like them to do. There we go. Now, that's a great rocket so far, but I think it would really be great if it had a nose cone on top. So for that, I'm going to take a piece of paper, and I like to use a square piece of paper for my nose cone. And then what I do is I just bend the corner to the middle, and it's already starting to make kind of a cone shape here at the top. This is going to be the top of the cone, and I bend the other side around, and then I hold it like this and just kind of spin it until it tightens up a little bit and makes a nice pointy shape at the top. Now to make that keep its shape really well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unfold it, and then I'm going to roll it the other way one time and spin it around and make it really pointy at the top. Great. Now I have it spun around 2 times, and I'm going to put it back the other way, the way it was first. And I think now that I've done that, it'll kind of hold its shape a little bit better. Yeah, it kind of stays in a cone shape. So then I'm just going to take that and I'm going to slide it into the top of the circles of the cardboard tube. I have to make it a little smaller to fit. Great. There we go. And then the tension from the tube will just hold it in place. It's a little bit crooked. There we go. I'll straighten it up. That looks better. That looks like a pretty good rocket. Let's blast it off. Are you ready? We have 2 rockets now. We can blast both of them off in T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Zoom! I hope you have fun with this activity. Try it out and enjoy it. And if you like our videos and our craft times and story times, please like and subscribe, and then you'll find them every month as we post them. Thanks a lot for coming and joining us. Bye-bye.